In a vibrant celebration of Van Mahotsav, the Forest Department organized a tree planting event at ITI Pharmagudi, which has inaugurated by Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goyal. The event saw the enthusiastic participation of the Deputy Conservator of Forest, the Director of Skill Development, various officers, the principal and student, all united in their commitment to environmental conservation.
भारतीय संस्कृति या भारतीय समाज या पूरे विश्व भर में हमें पता है कि किसी भी व्यक्ति के जीवन में, उसकी प्रोग्रेस में शायद पिता से ज़्यादा माँ का रोल होता है। तो जो एक पौधा है उसको वही स्तर देना है जो हमारे जीवन में माँ का स्तर है। तो हमें हमेशा याद रखना है, वो जो पौधा लगाना है उसको कंजर्व करना है, उसको ग्रो करना है, और वही महत्व हमारे जीवन में उस पौधे का है जो कि हमारे जीवन में माँ का महत्व होता है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये आह्वान किया है कि हम लोग इस वर्ष 140 करोड़ पौधे जो कि बाद में बड़े होकर पेड़ बने लगाएं। तो मैं पूरी उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का काम है इस चीज़ को, जो गोवा के टारगेट भी है उसको मॉनिटर करना और वह पूरा हो। और मैं सभी जो पब्लिक है, जनता है, सिटीजन है, उनकी ड्यूटी है कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम जो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है उसी को डिपेंडेंट करें। हम लोग अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं और ये जो पेड़ हैं हमारे आंगन में लगते हैं, वह पेड़ हमारे लिए ही हैं, हमारी संतानों के लिए, संतानों की संतानों के लिए। तो उसको याद रखें। और ये जो 2 लाख का जो टारगेट है, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि हम मानसून में पूरा करेंगे।
He actually planted the first tree on the 20th of July 1947, and in that program, he then head of the Congress government, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, also was present. Even Mr. Gandhi, who was there at Delhi at that time, also in his daily evening sermons actually lauded this program, which has been actually conducted by the then Delhi Commissioner, Mr. Khurshid Ahmed Khan. Then during that period and from that year onwards, every year during the month of July for 1 week, this ceremonial tree plantation used to be conducted. And in 1950, this plantation program was actually brought forward, and it was named as Van Mahotsava, and it was ordered to be done on the first week of July every year by the then Union Minister of Agriculture, Mr. K.M. Munshi, Kanhaiya Munshi. From that day onwards, on every year we are doing this Van Mahotsava. This is a ceremonial tree plantation which is done actually to inculcate the sense of love and affection towards nature and trees among us. Trees, as you know, is invaluable in our life, and without trees we cannot survive. This is a very hard fact of our life. And if we do not have trees, there will not only be desertification, but the entire world system, the entire civilization will be destroyed. So the trees must be planted, they must be nurtured and protected, not only during this 1 week or ceremonial tree plantation, but every day.
See, there is a lot of importance for trees. It gives you oxygen, it absorbs carbon dioxide, and it mitigates climatic change. All the time we say heat is increasing. No one is coming front to plant the trees. If I refer ITI Pharmagudi, staff and students together, there are 700 students and staff, 100 staff and 600 students. If you plant 1 tree every year, the 700 trees you can plant in this campus. So I pledge and appeal to all those who are gathered here, at least you plant 1 tree and save our environment.